In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Squarespace website for mobile, step by step. Mobile visitors expect fast, clean, and easy experiences, so let's tune your site to shine on small screens. Start by checking your foundation. In your Squarespace dashboard, go to Design, then Template, and use the device icons in the Preview toolbar to see how pages adapt. If anything feels clunky or slow, consider switching to a modern Squarespace 7.1 template. Options like Brine or Rally are great starting points. Preview thoroughly before committing so you know how your content will reflow. Next, simplify your page layouts. On mobile, single column sections are your best friend. Keep text concise and scannable, stack images and text vertically rather than side by side, and limit heavy visuals or animations that can distract or slow things down. Give each section one clear job so visitors can quickly understand and act. Now dial in readability. Head to Design, then Site Styles. Under Typography, set your body text to at least 16px and balance headings to create a clear hierarchy. Make your buttons large and high contrast, around 44px tall, and add enough spacing between links and icons to prevent accidental taps. Images are often the biggest performance hit. Use Squarespace's image editor to resize before uploading, then compress with a tool like TinyPNG or Squoosh. For photos, choose .jpg or .weebp. Reserve .png for transparency. Squarespace 7.1 includes lazy loading, so images appear as people scroll, which helps speed up initial page loads. While you're in Site Styles, switch to the mobile preview to fine-tune spacing, font sizes, and padding. Check key pages, product listings, blog posts, and contact forms to confirm everything scales correctly and nothing feels cramped or misaligned. Streamline navigation so it's effortless on phones. Rely on the built-in hamburger menu. Keep your main navigation to 5 or 6 links, move secondary pages into drop-downs, and make sure your logo reliably returns visitors to the home page. Boost performance and SEO by running Google PageSpeed Insights and removing unnecessary blocks, scripts, or custom code. Squarespace already minifies CSS and JavaScript, but continuing to compress images pays off. In marketing, then SEO, write descriptive page titles and meta descriptions, and confirm your site passes Google's mobile-friendly test. Test across devices and browsers: iPhone, Android, tablets, Safari, Chrome, and Firefox. Tools like BrowserStack or Chrome's device toolbar make this easy. Watch for overlapping elements or images that stretch oddly. Finally, monitor results. In Analytics, open Traffic Overview and review the device type breakdown. If mobile bounce rate is high, simplify layouts or improve load speed. Add Google Analytics 4 for deeper insights and iterate until your mobile experience feels fast, clear, and conversion ready.